Yo, guys, why is packing so hard actually? I'm trying to sort things out and I have very little time. Send help. Okay. I love this bag. It's got all these different compartments because I don't like when certain things touch. But with this bag, no need for that. There's this little pouch in the corner. I put baby fit wipes in there. I had actually finished packing, but I realized that that bag is too small. So now all I have to do is to move these items into a bigger bag. Where's my makeup? Okay, good. I need to get baby fix. Oh, and another thing that people often forget, underwear. Because you'll be rushing and everything. It's not even like you mean to leave it behind. It just happens that way. Okay, baby Fict, I know she needs jammies. Okay, it's almost sleepy time, so I need to hurry up. Looking crazy. My hair is looking crazy, but that's okay. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna take this week off. And then we're gonna do this properly. It's the day of the celebration. I am so honored to have been nominated and receiving this award. It is a huge honor and I'm proud of myself. Don't tell me I forgot really important things here, but you know what? I'm the queen of working with what I have, child. I forgot the primer, but I heard somewhere that Nivea Men lotion is really, really good for priming your face. So shout out. I get the vibes. Okay. It's been quite the day. I went to pick baby Fict up from daycare. Now I am getting ready. I want to do my makeup first because I feel like that takes a lot more time. I want to bathe her after I'm done with this. And then I want to leave at like 5 because socializing starts at like, what am I doing, child? Guys, I cannot do my makeup and also talk at the same time, so I was watching a YouTuber, I forgot who, but I remember them saying that I don't like these little sponges because they take up so much product, and I see it. I see it, sis. Like, that's actually just so wild. Also, je makeup cut. I think did you here? And that's okay. We learn as we go. There's a time I was so obsessed with makeup to the extent that I couldn't even leave the house without putting some on. This wasn't uni, so I couldn't leave like students' race without putting some on. And then I just gave myself a pep talk. I was like, no, this is not life. And ever since then, I legit don't even put as much on. Like, it's actually more rare to see me with makeup on now, and I love that for myself because one thing about it, I'm never gonna be a slave to anything. Ever. Perfect on my age. Love it, boss Cassandra. You have to blend like the life depends on a child. Otherwise you're going to look like a what? Like a apple pie. And today there's gonna be photo ops. Yo, my phone was flowing everywhere. I think think let me use those little sponges for this one. Yeah. Back I never lived like Misana child. Okay, let's try it, guys. Goodbye. Back from the awards show, that was amazing. The organization was just top tier. The food was amazing. Now I am currently cooking dim-dims. I just gave baby fit porridge, but I'm gonna cook dinner because we had appetizers there. We had these skewers. The cheese, the capri skewers or something like that. Capri skewers were so my fave. The fresh fruit was amazing. We also had pantinis from Nothing But Cakes. Oh my goodness. Nothing But Cakes gives me very much Pimcol Zimbabwe vibes. Like, especially if you have the Madeira cake. That's what Nothing But Cakes is like here. And it's so amazing. What else did I really enjoy? Oh, the chicken spears. Everything was just top tier, to be honest. So yeah, right now I am cooking mashed potato. I'm gonna make some mushroom and spinach and some Italian sausage. Yeah, that's what we're gonna make. It's been such an amazing day. Honestly, it was difficult, but I met some really, really amazing people there. The keynote speaker was Cinnamon, and she's actually an alumni of UNL as well, so that was amazing. And she's a single mom, and she was letting me know how, like, it's so hard, but honestly, you're gonna be okay. And I really needed to hear that validation because lately, the terrible twos came too early, guys. Like, I don't know what's happening with Baby Fict, but yeah, I love her and everything. But the tantrums, my goodness, the tantrums are something else. But that's my baby. I love her to death. And it's gonna be okay. I'm not the first to go through this, and most certainly won't be the last. So it's always good to like meet other single moms and just talk, share experiences, find out how they handle certain things. And yeah, sorry, please excuse the noise in the back. I'm doing dishes as well at the same time. So yeah, you know what? I like my spaces clean. Let's cook this dinner, child.